Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today we are going to see the live trading of day 12 out of our 60 days campaign of trend analysis method. And friend, the code for today is a very beautiful code which is very clearly seen in our videos, trading video as well today. Don't be a slave to your emotions, control them or they will control you. So I have been telling all through my channel, all through my videos, you can see that psychology is one among the key criteria. You have to learn to control your emotions, because when you have continuous losses, you have to bear up, you have to control. So today also we can see in our trading we got loss. It was continuous back to back loss, but then controlling this emotions, controlling this loss, and traveling through this journey going forward is what is most critical. And this is something which we all have to learn. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me show you my video which I have traded today. And the stock selected for today is SBIN, that is nothing but SBI Bank. So we can see the candles that it is moving sideways. It is a clear indication of that the stock is in a ranging phase. It is not trending, but it is ranging. So that is why today we decided to take a ranging trade. That is, we sold at the high price and we bought at the low price. So this is what we generally do at when the market is ranging. So I'll just show you what we did. So you can see that we are buying at a lower value. We keep a target of 6%, sorry 0.6%. It comes to 1.6, and then we are keeping a stop loss of 0.4%. So that comes to 1. And since we are trading for 1000 rupees, we have to place the buy order. So you can see the buy order is done. In the same way, we have to keep for the sell order as well. We are selling at the high price, that is at 270, and target is 1.6 and loss is 1. Okay, so you can see there are two open orders. So what are we doing basically is that we are selling at the high price and we are buying at the low price. This is done when we find out, as per our trend analysis, that the market is ranging. In this situation, this is the action we take. It does not mean that always we have to buy at the breakout and sell at the breakout. We also have to do the opposite also. Okay, so let us see. But this is as per our trend analysis. We have done our journey. Profit or loss remains to the stock market. What it gives, we have to accept it. So we can see that around 2:57, around 3 o'clock, we were having a small loss of 300 to 400 rupees. But then by end of the day, we made a loss of 1000 rupees. So it doesn't matter, because loss is part of any trading career. So you can see we ended up with a loss of 1000 rupees. But last not the least, let us update in our Excel sheet SBN with a profit with a loss of 1000 rupees. Okay, so we are still at 7000, close to 7500. But friends, let me say you one more thing. The beauty of maintaining this Excel, you can also start doing many analysis. Okay, now what is analysis which I have done? If you clearly observe last Wednesday, Thursday also, that is, you can see on 13th February and 14th February, that was nothing but Thursday and Wednesday and Thursday. And you can see this week also, Wednesday and Thursday, we have made loss. So these are all the analysis which you have to keep on doing. So it clearly indicates that on this particular day the market is not behaving as per our analysis. So going forward, if this trend is continuing, then you can avoid this kind of days and trade only on the starting of the market, that is on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays. Those days, sorry, Monday, Tuesdays we can trade. We can avoid on Wednesday, Thursdays. So this is the benefit of recording all your trades. One thing is very clear, is that you will be knowing what are the mistakes you're doing, if at all any mistakes are there. you'll be able to analyze that where you made mistake, where have you done any impulse trade, or in case if like this what I told, that regularly if you're getting losses on Wednesday, Thursdays, we can avoid such days, because you can see other days we are all in profit. So in case if you trade on other days, you will always you'll have 100% accuracy. Okay, so these are the benefits of keeping this kind of tracker. So that's it for today's live trading, friends. Back-to-back losses, part of journey, can't help it, but never lose hope. So as I told in the starting of the video, it is all about emotions. We have to control our emotions. Loss is part of any strategy. We don't have to give up. In case even if we get a loss tomorrow also, we don't have to worry. We just have to continue the journey, stick to the journey, nothing else. Okay, so once again, thank you and have a nice day.